Towing capacity, payload ratings, fuel economy. Yeah, those numbers matter. So does reliability, and how much punishment a truck can take before it starts complaining. Price is always somewhere in the back of your mind too, and brand loyalty. That's practically tribal at this point. But here's the thing, a truck isn't just a tool. It's the first thing people see in your driveway, at the job site, pulling into the trailhead. It says something about you before you even step out. And nothing makes a first impression quite like the paint. We're not talking about wraps, custom shops, or anything you'd need to special order. We're talking straight from the factory. The paints manufacturers are putting on their trucks, and which ones are actually worth picking. These are the 5 best color choices for your pickup truck in 2027. Number 5. Orange Fury Metallic Tri-Coat 2027 Ford Maverick. When Ford dropped the Maverick back in 2021, the truck world had a moment. A compact, unibody pickup. People didn't know whether to love it or laugh at it. Payload numbers are modest. Towing is nothing to write home about. On the other hand, the fuel economy on that hybrid powertrain is hard to argue. Still, there's something else on this truck that'll make you do a double take in a parking lot. Orange Fury Metallic Tri-Coat. This isn't your construction cone orange. It's deep, warm, almost amber in certain light, and that tri-coat layering gives it a dimension that flat colors just can't touch. In direct sunlight, it almost glows. On a cloudy day, it pulls back into something richer, more burnt and earthy. It shifts, and that's exactly what makes it special. On a small truck with clean body lines like the Maverick, this color absolutely pops. It fits the personality of the truck too. A little unconventional, a little bold, not trying too hard. Ford's been offering some very interesting paint jobs lately, and this one sits near the top of that list. Number 4. Two-tone Serrano Green Metallic and Diamond Black Crystal Pearl Coat 2027 Ram 1500. If there's one truck maker in the half-ton segment that obsesses over the details, it's Ram. The interior alone, the materials, the layout, the sheer amount of thought put into the cabin, puts serious pressure on everyone else in the class. But the company doesn't stop there. The factory palette on the Ram 1500 is one of the most varied and considered in the segment, with liveries that range from restrained and classic to genuinely head-turning. And among everything they're offering, this two-tone combination is pulling the most eyeballs. Serrano Green Metallic on its own is already a statement. It's not olive, not forest, not washed-out army surplus tone you see on Ranger Raptor. It's a proper, saturated green with a metallic shimmer that catches the light without being flashy about it. Then they paired it with diamond black crystal pearl coat on the lower body and roof, a deep, multi-layer black that shifts slightly in the sun. And suddenly the whole truck looks like something that took real thought to put together. The contrast works because neither finish is fighting for attention. The green stays rich, the black grounds it, and the split line on the body keeps everything clean. Number 3. Glacier Metallic 2027 GMC Canyon. This one might be a little subjective. Not every person shopping for a mid-sized truck is going to gravitate toward this. Somewhat aggressive, somewhat stealthy, some just default to whatever's on the lot. But pull up to any truck meet, any trailhead, any dealership row, and count how many black, white, and silver rigs you see. Almost overwhelming. And there's nothing wrong with those finishes. They're classics for a reason. They just don't exactly make you turn your head anymore. Glacier Metallic does. It's a cool, pale blue-gray, almost icy. Not loud. It sits somewhere between a winter sky just before sunrise and the kind of tone you'd find on a well-spec'd European sedan. There's a calmness to it, an elegance even, which isn't a word you throw at mid-sized trucks very often. On the Canyon's body, which already carries cleaner, more upscale lines compared to most in its class, this hue lands exceptionally well. Number 2. Rain 2027 Jeep Gladiator. When it comes to bold factory finishes, nobody in the truck segment plays the game quite like Jeep. The Gladiator's palette reads like a dare. Mojito, that acidic lime green that looks like it drove straight off a mountain trail. Juice orange hits you like a flare gun in a parking lot. But we had to pick something else. The rain. It's purple. A proper, rich, saturated purple. Not a burgundy flirting with red. Not a dark plum trying to pass for navy in low light. Across the entire truck market in 2027, it stands completely alone. No other manufacturer is offering anything remotely close to this on a pickup. The tone itself has real depth to it. In bright light, it leans vivid and commanding. In shade or overcast conditions, it darkens into something moodier, more complex. Either way, it never looks cheap or gimmicky. It looks considered, which is not always easy to pull off with a hue this bold. On the Gladiator's body, rain works because the truck is already confident enough to carry it. The silhouette is tough, and that keeps the finish from tipping into costume territory. Number 1. Ice Cap with Black Roof, 2027 Toyota Tacoma. Well, we might have mentioned how the market is drowning in whites, silvers, and blacks. How neutrals blur together. How you stop noticing them after a while. And yet, here we are, putting a white Toyota at number 1. Ice Cap with a black roof. That's the whole thing. And somehow, it works better than anything else on this list. Part of it is the two-tone execution. That black roof doesn't just sit on top. It gives the whole truck a visual weight, a structure. The contrast pulls the Tacoma's already aggressive roofline into sharper focus, making the hood look longer, the stance lower. It's a small detail that changes the entire look of the truck. Part of it might just be the simplicity. No metallic shimmer chasing the light. No bold hue demanding your attention. Just a clean, crisp white body and a blacked-out top. Classic pairing, executed cleanly on a truck that has the body lines to support it. Sometimes the most confident thing you can do is keep it simple.